Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and in today's video tutorial I will be showing you how to download fonts to your iPad that you could use on your Cricut Design. When you go to your Cricut Design and click on the text, you can see that you could use all the Cricut fonts, and then on the system fonts it's maybe like 15 fonts that comes with the iPad. It's even less than a computer. So I want to show you how to download cute fonts that you could use on your iPad Cricut Design Space app. So the first thing you need is to download files. So you need to download the files app, and then the next app you need to download, it's called iFont. These are free apps, and I already have mine downloaded. Okay, so once you're done with that, you could go to your Safari or web browser. And I'm just going to go to my favorite website where I like to download my fonts. It's called .font.com. And they have so many fonts. I usually like the script ones. So I'm just going to go on handwritten. Just going to find something to download. Okay, so let's say I want to download Just Tell Me What font. So I'm going to click this download button on the side. And it's going to tell me, do you want to download it? I'm going to click download. And on the top right, there's this little arrow in a circle. It shows me what has downloaded. So I'm going to click on that little search icon. And it takes me to my files folder. And you can see the little zip file. Sometimes it will be a folder. So right here it says, just tell me what. Sometimes it will be in a folder. Sometimes it will just be a zip file. So you're just going to click on that. And then the folder pops up. And then you click on the folder. Here it is. And you want to download... It's going to be either .otf file or it will be TTF. Here it shows me the font. On the top right corner, I'm going to click on this button. And right here, as I scroll to the right, it's going to say copy to iFont. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to open my iFont app. And right here on the left side, you can see all these little fonts that I downloaded. Just tell me what. Here's the font. And I'm going to click install. This is what's going to pop up. You're going to click allow. And then this is going to pop up saying profile download. Review the profile and settings app if you want to install it. So you close this and then click done. Now you go to your settings. And right here on top, it's going to say profile download. It tells me right here, just tell me what, regular. This is the font. And it's not installed yet. So I'm going to click install. You're going to enter your passcode and click install again. It's going to ask you install profile, click install, and then done. And once I do that, I go back to iFont and now it's installed. Just tell me regular. So now I go in my Cricut app. And in the system, I could search it and it's right there. And here it is. And as you could see, I actually downloaded a bunch of cute ones like this one. You could edit them. Right here you can group two letters, move them around. So you could just do everything with these fonts as you would do with the regular fonts that already come on Cricut Design. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. And don't forget to click that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. And check out my online store, www.Zhannastar.com, where I sell my handmade items. So check it out. Alright, thank you. Bye.